In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple loading indicator animation in Figma using animated dots and Smart Animate. Start by opening Figma and creating a new frame. Then use the ellipse tool to create 3 small circles. Hold Shift while dragging to keep them perfectly round. Place the 3 dots in a horizontal row with equal spacing between them. These dots will become your loading indicator. Next, select all 3 dots and create a component. This will make it easier to build and manage the animation. With the component selected, click Add Variant to create multiple animation states. The first variant will be your starting position. For the second variant, move the first dot slightly upward. In the third variant, return the first dot to its original position and move the second dot upward. Continue the same pattern for the third dot. Once your variants are ready, switch to the Prototype tab. Connect the first variant to the second to the third, and continue connecting each variant in sequence. For each connection, set the trigger to after delay and use Smart Animate as the animation type. A duration of around 300 milliseconds usually creates a smooth loading effect. Finally, connect the last variant back to the first variant to create a continuous loop. Click Present to preview your design. You should now see the dots animating one after another, creating a clean loading indicator effect. You can customize the animation further by changing the dot colors, sizes, spacing, or animation timing to match your project style. And that's it. You've successfully created a loading indicator animation in Figma using variants and Smart Animate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.